Or have you heard people say, I'm going for a book lunch? Well, it's not book lunch, it's book launch. That should give you an idea of the words we're going to be looking at on Mixup Corner TV with me, Caroline Owusu Asamoah. Well, before we continue, I'd like you to subscribe, like, and comment on this particular video and visit, the playlist and like all the videos and watch them and share. Well, so today the words we're going to be looking at are lunch, LUNCH, and launch, LAUNCH. The differences. Now, when we say lunch, LUNCH, it's simply an afternoon meal, okay? So, you go to work, you have a break, and you go for lunch, not launch. But when we say launch, LAUNCH, it's simply the propelling of something new, okay? So that's why we have a book launch, okay? A product launch is to propel something new, is to propel the new book into action, is to propel the new product into action. So those are the differences. LUNCH is lunch and LAUNCH is pronounced launch. Okay, I hope you have the differences now. I have a book launch to attend, so I have to see you guys later. Bye bye.